Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Tompkins, and I wanted to share my experience with using the Spooky products. I originally started out about 2 months ago buying a Spooky starter kit and have since upgraded to the Generator X Pro and the Scalar unit. Both myself and my 6-year-old son have been using these products to treat central core disease and RYR1 disease. And in particularly, we've had some huge success with the treatment of our disease using the new peptide protocols that are available on the machine. So I really wanted to share this feedback with the community, but just wanted to tell my experience because we've pursued a lot of alternative medicine and we've used real-world peptides, but that becomes difficult with the supply chain of peptides, and there's so many of them that are only available for research purposes. Using the Scalar machine and using the Generator X Pro, we're able to administer these peptides in a much different method, but in something that really hits the root cause of the problem immediately, and you're not dealing with the half-life of drugs, and you're also not dealing with having to inject peptides. So this has been a really positive experience. I look forward to sharing future experiences to show progress for both me and my son. Thank you so much.